This is Dave at TitleSearch.com. An area of our investigations and title research has to do with forensics audits of mortgage assignments and assignment chains within the real estate title. The first step in doing this is identifying the actual mortgage assignment chain itself. In some cases, the mortgage that was issued was never assigned to a different lender. The original lender is still showing on title, although there may be different lenders servicing the loan or having sent notices to the borrower that they are now the mortgagee of record. So the first thing we're going to do is identify that mortgage assignment chain. That's a product and a service we offer directly to borrowers and consumers. Beyond that, we recommend not to stop there. When we do an actual forensic audit on the mortgages, the next thing we do is we pull the MERS or Mortgage Electronic Registration System records or database records that record any assignments off title that are not on the official title. And you can compare those to what is showing on the title to see if there's any discrepancies. The next thing we'll do is we'll look at the actual mortgage documents and the assignments to see if there are any discrepancies for dates and signatures. We analyze those documents. We look to see if any of the signatories are known robo-signers. We have a known database of robo-signers. We look to see if any of the dates are past posting, meaning that if a date of assignment from one lender to another occurred and the actual document was backdated or postdated, depending upon how that mortgage was placed into that trust or into that lender. The next thing we'll do is look at the notary dates to see if the dates of notarization of some of these signatures were correct. Did the notary stamp expire prior to that date being posted on the document? Is the notary an actual active notary? Did their signatures match the known signatures of that notary on other documents that we may look at? We also look to see if any of the transfers into a lender occurred when the mortgage was in default. That will be noted on the forensic audit because some REMICs and securitization vehicles disallow distressed property or defaulted notes to be put into their instrument by charter. That will be something to look at. We'll also try to determine if the transfer is for servicing rights or actually lending rights, because that may affect the process that you're going through as a borrower to look at foreclosure defense or whatever process you're looking at. Sometimes it is quiet title that's being considered. Then we leave it to the client to determine whether or not that mortgage assignment is correct and how to utilize the actual forensic audit. We're available as an expert witness if that's necessary in court. Sometimes the client will look to see if the note is split from the mortgage. That may be valuable in some cases depending upon the nature of the case. We look to see if the deed of trust itself matches the note. The one thing that we're looking at in this era of mortgage assignments and foreclosure defense is the window of opportunity seems to be closing. There's been some settlements with lenders. There's some issues with the amount of time that has gone by from when these mortgages happen. There may be a statute of limitations concern. So if you're looking at a mortgage audit, forensic audit on your chain of title, look to see if that window of opportunity might be closing so you can get it in within the time frame.